What's good, son? DJ like this. What it is, what it does, what it look like. Bitch! Showing here with Mr. Jordan Fisher. Say hi.
What up, y'all?
Yeah, he's pretty much a lame loser.
Forget y'all. Forget you. Forget this fool. Oh, that's how to get slapped, you ugly crackhead.
World famous, world star, hip hop. Checking out some videos and things. Yeah, my little brother wanted to watch Zombieland, so now we're watching Zombieland. That's some shit. That nigga ate that motherfucker's ass out.
I just wanted to let you know, before we go any further, that I'm not ready for a relationship. I'm not looking for anything serious.
But we've been dating for 2 years. Aren't we in a relationship?
I just want to take things day by day.
But we live together, and we have a child.
I have a fear of commitment. My last girlfriend broke my heart, and I'm still
honestly,
you
this is what I really want to make this video about. This video about dating modern black men in their 20s and this. Tell me this doesn't sound like some bullshit, though.
I just wanted to let you know, before we go any further, that I'm not ready for a relationship. I'm not looking for anything serious.
But we've been dating for 2 years. Aren't we in a relationship?
I just want to take things day by day.
But we live together, and we have a child.
I have a fear of commitment. My last girlfriend broke my heart, and I'm still healing.
You cheated on her, and that was in high school.
I don't want to hurt you. I do not think I can be the man you need me to be, and I'd rather not get involved too deeply.
But you are involved. We have a family, and you even had me become a member of your home church. And we were baptized together last Sunday, and I am the emergency contact on all of your work, medical, and legal documents. We have a joint checking account and savings. I speak to your mother more often than you do. Your sister's doing my hair later on this evening.
I need some time to do me. This all happened too soon. I can't handle the pressure.
What pressure? I have supported you and your dreams. I am faithful. I am loyal. I cook. I am a good mother. And even after childbirth, I remain more good-looking than any other woman you involve yourself with for ego boosts behind my back.
I appreciate that, but I cannot let a relationship continue to get in the way of all this meaningless pussy. I have been listening to songs by Ryan Leslie, and just because you do all of these wonderful things doesn't mean I have to be with you. I can receive husband treatment and devotion without even changing my Facebook status from single, if I leave you, and lead other women on in the same manner. I want to make up for lost time, because I just realized how fine I am. I need to spend my time and money on petite Latin and Filipino women now, because even though you are mixed, you are no longer exotic enough for me.
That is bullshit.
I'm on some new shit. I'm chucking my deuces.
You are repeating the cycle that left your own mother struggling alone and yourself without a father.
You ain't nothing but a vulture, always hoping for the worst.
Stop quoting Chris Brown.
I want someone to keep it drama-free. I'm going to start calling you crazy, instead of admitting my own actions that lead to understandable upsetting. Then I will write a book, and a blog, and make money exploiting your vulnerability, because you are too willing to accept me, and do not realize I only want a challenge, and can't respect anyone who reminds me of my own mother, or anyone that loves me for me instead of a facade I perpetuate on the internet.
Now that's some straight bullshit. I don't know who wrote that. I don't know who made that. But whoever did that bullshit, that's some bullshit. Y'all know ain't no real nigga out here saying no bullshit like that. Ain't acting like that. Ain't doing no shit like that. Most niggas nowadays, they get a broad that'll cook, clean, still look good and some more shit. Come on now. They gonna ride that bitch out. I don't give a damn. She could be busted and disgusted. She gonna ride that bitch out, I promise. Ain't no nigga about to leave no broad that's supporting him. It ain't happening. Not nowadays. Maybe back in the 90s, that's how shit went down. But nowadays, shit don't go down like that. I don't understand that. So all y'all motherfuckers making bullshit ass videos, stop that shit.